Good morning students. Let us start a new topic, demand estimation and demand forecasting. This is topic 5, module 2. In module 2 there are 3 topics. One we discussed, that is demand function, second is elasticity of demand, and this is demand estimation and forecasting. So in the first part I am going to discuss significance of demand forecasting. Meaning, a forecast is an estimation of a situation in future. Demand forecast is an estimation of demand for the product for a future period. Since future is uncertain, no forecast can be 100% correct. But every firm tries to obtain a forecast as precise as possible. Now we'll discuss what are the significance of demand forecasting. Forecast help us to know what is likely in the future. A demand forecast is meant to guide business policy decisions. There is no choice between forecasting and not forecasting. Demand forecasts are significant for the following reasons. Number 1, production planning. Demand forecasts are essential to plan future production. Generally, production of goods and services takes time. Unless future demand is known well in advance, there may not be enough time to plan and execute production. Second, resource planning. Production requires the services of various factors of production like manpower, capital, raw material. The firms have to make arrangements of finance, trained manpower and raw materials, etc. Third, sales policy. Sales constitute the primary source of revenue for the business. To formulate realistic sales target and to make arrangements for the movement of product region-wise, demand forecasting is very important. Next, price policy. Demand forecast can help business to formulate appropriate price policy. Next, inventory planning. Inventories are goods and raw materials currently held by the firms for future production. Firms hold inventories to meet future demand. Accurate demand forecast will help the firm to have an appropriate inventory policy. So students, the first question on this topic can be, explain the significance of the demand forecasting. So you have to give the meaning and then these 5 points: production planning, resource planning, sales policy, price policy, inventory planning. In this way, demand forecasting is very significant, a very important question. Explain the significance of demand forecasting, and the answer, your answer, you have to cover everything whatever there in that PPT. Thank you very much.